Hi everyone, we are back with another Vegas room tour. You know by now that we love checking out the Vegas rooms. We're here on our wedding trip and we thought, you know what, we'll push the boat out a little bit and go for something a bit special. And you're going to get to see exactly what you get. This is going to take you a little bit longer than a normal room tour because there's a lot to see, but here we go. Where do we start? Oh, of course, with the door and the locking mechanism. So first off, we have a big double door, but the locking mechanism is here. Double bolt, which is good. You can see it's nice and locked. A little bit new. Really big walkway. I could literally spin, dance, backflip if I could backflip, but I can't, so I won't try that. But we start here. We do have a mirror and a very big lamp placed right in front of the mirror, so you can't really use it as a mirror, but it looks cool, nice and spacious. There's so many things I'm getting distracted by, but we're going to start in here. This is what we describe potentially as the guest bathroom or toilet. So you come through. Absolutely huge. Bigger than, it's basically a full-size bathroom for most hotel rooms, but just got the toilet here. For you to do your business, your guests to do your business, whatever needs to be done, and then nice big area. I really like the way it's done and the theme and the style, and as you can see, everything is brand new, but also finished to a really high quality, which is really nice. These nice nice matte black finish, and a nice mirror gold, everything there. I'm going to go through it a little bit quicker than we normally do just because there's so much to see, but there you go, first stop. Now, we come out of the guest bathroom and we come across through here, and we have the kitchen. Nice. This kitchen area is bigger than our kitchen at home at the moment, so it's pretty good. Could get used to this. So we of course have our mini bar up here. Down here we have an empty fridge, which is great. Also, what else do we have? Just a lot of cupboard space. So there and there. So if you are staying for a while and you're settling in, I guess you could place a lot of stuff in there. Basically a full kitchen pretty much without the cooker. Very nice touch here if you do have a coffee machine and coffee pods, which is very useful. We're going straight out after this video. And like we say, we've only just got to Vegas, so we are jet lagged, so we'll be having some coffee before we go. And then of course, we need a TV in our kitchen. So this is TV number 1 in the property. Maybe we will do a TV count as we go through the room, but that's TV number 1. Then we also have our phone here and our light switches, which, oh, look at that. Extra bright. I don't know about this one, turns it off. Yes, okay, so you've got a light switch there for the 2 on the top and the 2 by the side. I think we'll leave them on. Now if we come through, normally I sit on everything, try everything out, but of course, that's a bit interesting there, that'll be a smooth transition, but of course we'll be here forever if I try absolutely everything out. So we have 2 chairs, nice comfortable pillows. I can't imagine we're going to be sat down too much, but we shall see. And then, why don't we just do a big pan so you can see everything in here before I start talking about it. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. We have been in one of the upgraded or refurbed standard king rooms, and I would say a standard king room refurb probably starts from here and covers around this whole carpeted area. Is what you get in a normal room, and they are really nice, but we're not in a normal room. We're in an executive king suite, which is insane. I honestly don't know where to start. This sofa is enough for, you could just have your whole family here. I'm gonna sit on it. Oh, yes, this is comfortable. I could get so comfortable and settled in. Can't really get used to this though, because this is just, Anyway, TV number 2. TV number 2 in the property. Calling it a property, not even a room now, look at that. Very nicely finished, but it doesn't open anything like this. But you can start to see, we've really thought about the details, even a little detailing on the wall, just brings it out a level. Everything's really consistent theme and just nice. And it's got a subtle French feel to it, I think it's safe to say. It's like, even with like the French colours on the curtains, which is very nice. And of course, we have a nice lovely picture, but we have a massive pool table. Would be fun. I'm sure we're gonna have some fun playing this. And I really like the lighting above. Is it a chandelier? Maybe not quite, but that kind of vibe. Actually ridiculous how much space you have here. Before we go through to the next part of the room, check out the view. That is gonna look so good at night. I actually can't wait. One thing to note, You have these, and we have a drawer. But you know what, might take me a second, but I'm going to completely shut it off for you, so you can see exactly how it feels when it's dark. There we go, so there we go. This is what it looks like at night with it all shut off. But I'm just putting it out there, at night, surely you want this left open so you can see how good that's going to look. The Paris sign, the Eiffel Tower, that's going to look just incredible at night. We do have this desk area. If you do choose to work here, this is probably one of the best views you could possibly have to work with. I'm struggling to think of a better view. Obviously Cosmo is known for having an amazing view, but this what you've got here is basically the other side, and it looks, I've said it too many times, but it looks incredible. Come through, look at this looks so good. The bed is I'm already wanting to jump on the bed. I'm not going to do that just yet. Where do we start? I can't wait to wake up and see that, it's going to be amazing. We have, is this a Shalon? This nice bench. I said I wasn't going to test everything out, but I have to try it out. I'm not really going to sit on this, in all honesty. I don't think no. It's a very nice feature, but it's not really for me. TV number 3. I think that might be the complete set. I think there's 3 TVs in here. And then I really like this little area. I don't know why, I just think this is really cool. Gotta try this out, but it's kind of, there's just so much to do out in Vegas. I'm not going to want to stay in the room, but at the same time I am. This is really comfortable. I'm set. TV on. Let's see if the playoffs are on and just watch some NBA. Chill out there. Perfect. And then if we come here just to show you, again, all the worktops are very consistent all the way through. The detailing's the same. Most of it's navy with the gold detailing, which looks really nice. Huge cupboard space there, or wardrobe. Cupboard, it was cupboard, I was right first.
Drawer.
Drawer, there you go, drawer space. I wasn't right first time. 3 big drawers. This one here has your safe in it. Really big safe. Lots of room for everything you could possibly need. We do have an aircon unit in both rooms, so each room has its own individual aircon unit, so you can change temperature for each one. All the good stuff, Celsius, Fahrenheit, whatever you want to have. Another nice picture, and I really like this setting around the bed. I think it looks really nice. I can't remember already whether the standard Versailles rooms have that similar setting, but I just think it looks really cool. And I like the colouring. I'm really excited to jump on it, but we're going to hold off because there's still a lot of room to see. Here, nice little detail. You have your USB and you have your American socket. You don't have USB-C there. Could be a shame for some people, but can't have everything, can we? And we are being nitpicky, let's be real. Also, if just in case you didn't have enough chairs, places to sit, we also obviously have a seat here where you can do some work and not get distracted by the amazing view. Now, you know what's behind here, the bathroom, but if you haven't seen this bathroom yet, I have no idea, it's going to impress you, I believe. Yes! Look at this, how nice is that tub? Genuinely cannot wait to jump in there, and it's huge as well. It's absolutely huge, you'll get 2 people in there, very easy, with space, 100%. Again, I spin around the room because I'm not too sure where to start, but basically how this works is you have the bathtub, behind here we'll see in a minute is the shower, and then you have his and hers either side with an extra vanity this side. So I'd say this is probably T's side, definitely T's side, and this will be my side. So if we come through, I'll show you the cupboard space. We're not going to open both cupboards because you've got identical both sides, but essentially, again, notice the gold detailing. You have plenty of space there. On this side, similar thing, pendant hangers, extra pillows by the looks of it at the top if you need them. In the other side, I believe, is where the ironing board and the iron is, but again, I say, I won't go through that. I just can't get over this bath, it just looks so nice. And not well. Here we have the other toilet. I really like the pictures here as well. They're all very similarly themed as well. I think it looks really nice. And I just feel like they stayed really consistent to their style and theme. Again, more gold detailing down the bottom. You've got more towels, you've got a hairdryer. Very good hairdryer by the looks of it. And I think that's everything down here. Above the top you have Ah, there we go. Right. So again, similar mirror to the toilet on the hallway. And then we have body lotion, and body lotion, triple body lotion there. And I just really like this. I really like the colouring, I really like the style. Just looks nice. Comes the other side. Of course, we have all the exact same stuff here. I assume it's triple body lotion again, yeah. And then, what is this? Artisan massage bar. Don't know what that is, but sounds great, I'm not gonna lie. And underneath here we have, your handheld steamer and some more toilet roll. Some more. And exactly the same on this side. More American sockets here. And then we have our vanity, which looks very nice. I feel like, I'm looking at two right now, that's great for your makeup, right? Really good lighting. It's really like an orangey glow, which has got to work. And we've got one of these mirrors. I always forget what these are, but T always tells me these are really important. So I've got one of those mirrors. And of course, nice little padded chair. Perfect. So we'll put this away. Show you the, there you go. Show you the last part that we're missing, and it's this huge shower. I don't know what this switch looks like. Ah, there we go, look at that. Look at the size of that shower. It is great. Only opens up from this side. Not that that's a bad thing, just so you know. And I reckon you could fit about a dozen people in here if you wanted to. We have shampoo, conditioner, body wash. We have a seat and a ledge there. And of course, all things Tee&C style. We're going to try out the shower, see what the water pressure is like. There we go. Look at that. I'd say everything feels like it's finished to a really nice high standard, and the whole tower's been refurbed. So as you walk through the Versailles Tower, it really has a much more premium feel than the older towers. They've really done a good job. I feel like they've really elevated it because I feel like Paris needed a bit of an upgrade. So, of course, another mirror here. So overall, of course, this is an Executive King Suite, so it is a lot bigger, you have a lot more. But what you're seeing in terms of finish and quality, that's exactly the same in the standard Versailles refurb rooms. So if you're liking all the finish and the quality, then you won't be disappointed with the standard rooms as well. They look really nice. And I tell you what, we just need to go and see one of these balcony rooms. If anyone wants to somehow get us into a balcony room here at Paris, then we would love that. That is definitely on the bucket list. And now I think it leaves one thing and one thing only, and that is jump on the bed and test it out, as we always do. I'm really excited about this, and I'm like, it's a massive bed. I feel like it's slightly wider than something, but it might just be psychological because the room's so big. On 3?
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
That had a nice bounce.
That had such a nice bounce. Oh, this feels so good. Just give me a second. Get up before I fall asleep. Oh, I almost feel a bit dizzy there. Wow, really soft bed. There's basically no noise when I landed on that. That is going to be super comfy. And I just can't get over the thought of waking up here in the morning and looking out there. Like, that is just insane. That is what Vegas is all about. And also, like we say, yes, this is a King Suite, but you'll get very similar views in a lot of the standard King rooms. So you're getting all of this if you get the right view in the King rooms. Oh, I really want to throw this to you so you can test it out too. This is a suck.
I'm gonna throw it to the camera.
Ready?
You missed.
Oh, you want me to actually hit the camera? Down. Jump it back. Oh, test out the below. Yes, I'm so excited. You know, it's funny because we love Vegas, we love being out there, but a room this nice, you just want to stay in it for a little bit more than you should, because it's so nice. Top tip for you as well, you know what we like to try and make the most of our money, and we like to try and make the most of our experiences, and we love value for money. This is a bit of a splurge for us, but like we say, we're on a wedding trip, so it's got to be done. But if you do want to upgrade like this, it's often best to ask when you're checking in what the upgrade offers are, because you'll often get a much better rate, and we definitely got a much better rate by doing that. So hopefully you enjoyed this tour. Don't forget to check out our channel for a while for room tours, all this great stuff. But for now, that's it from us. We'll see you in the next one.